Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to modify the fill mode of an animation. This is a really quick one, and most of the time when you're developing web applications, you're going to use sort of front-end frameworks that have a lot of this stuff built in. So it's useful to go through these lessons, but at the same time, if you're finding these things really confusing or hard to understand, it's good to go through the lessons and get a sense for the cadence and the way that you write the code. But things like this you don't have to memorize this kind of stuff. I think that's important as we go through there. So what they're saying here is they were saying that our hover doesn't work quite yet, right? Because as we hover over it, it sort of snaps back to its original state. Whereas we want something that's more like this menu up here, where you hover over things and then as you leave, they become unhovered, if that's the way that they say it. So to do this, we're going to use an animation fill mode property of forwards, and that specifies how to set it up. And so really all they're asking us to do is write in here animation fill mode, and then we're setting the property equal to forwards. It says of the button property of hover, but here they've already added comments in here, so they kind of give away the answer here. And now if we come over here, we notice if we hover over the button, it stays in that light blue color rather than being altered. And so if we run the tests, they should pass. All right, thanks guys for watching. See you in the next video.